DJ's trying to make a fire, and I'm fixing to jump off the back of this truck without falling because my balance ain't very good right now. Alright, DJ. Alright, you got it recording?
Trying to read that dice script.
Is it recording?
Yes, I'm trying to read that dice script.
Alright, I think you jump forward that way.
Hold on. Let me get over so I can see you.
You might want to get over here. Since I fall, catch you. Alright. Damn, bro. Alright, I'm gonna just jump that way, alright? But make sure you look over here in case I fall. I hope I don't. Oh, shit. Oh. Damn, I knew I was gonna fall. I think I landed in dog shit. I'm serious. I'm serious. I ain't trying to be funny. Oh my god, I think I landed in dog crap. Oh god, what's that weight on my stomach? Alright, we're gonna do that again.
Okay, I press resume.
I know. We're talking about some dice script. Alright.
I can't help that I'm trying to read that dice script.
I fell off the truck about 20 minutes ago. Went inside for a minute. I'm feeling better now. I'm gonna make the second attempt. Oh! I know that wasn't nothing big. I ain't like hurt myself. Messed up my knee though.
He hurt himself.
Look,
today.
I'm getting the light zoom in. I shattered cartilage. Right up in there and in there. Shattered part of. See, I can move my kneecap. See what?
He shattered that dice script.
But it's alright. Alright.